As the frame centers, a compact three-wheeled camper van stands out among the larger RVs surrounding it. Its sleek, futuristic shape captures immediate attention. The glossy white exterior gleams under the overhead lights, with every curve flowing seamlessly into the next. The front of the vehicle resembles a small motor trike, compact, aerodynamic, and full of character. Its dual headlights shine like inquisitive eyes, while the smooth body design suggests efficiency and motion even at rest. The camera moves closer, tracing the elegant lines that define the camper's unique silhouette. Small teal reflections ripple across the glossy paint as the lens pans along the sides, revealing the precision in its engineering. The wheel arches blend into the body with perfect symmetry, and the overall balance between form and function feels effortless. Slowly, the view shifts to the side where a panel door is lifted open. Warm light spills out from the interior, offering a glimpse into a surprisingly cozy living space. Inside, the kitchen area glows with soft amber tones, a beautiful contrast to the crisp white exterior. Compact cabinets line the upper wall, while a sleek countertop holds a sink, a coffee maker, and neatly arranged utensils. Every inch of space is intelligently used, creating an environment that feels both efficient and inviting. The camera lingers over the subtle details, the brushed metal handles, the warm wood textures, the reflection of ambient light across the smooth surfaces. Tiny design touches, like a small plant on the shelf and neatly stacked mugs, add personality and warmth to the space. The lighting design deserves special mention. Soft LED strips cast a golden hue, turning this compact interior into a haven of calm and comfort. As the camera tilts upward, it reveals the over-cab sleeping loft. Nestled above the main cabin, this area is softly illuminated, showcasing a neatly made bed with plush pillows and subtle decorative accents. It feels private and peaceful, a perfect retreat after a day on the road. The lighting above creates a halo-like glow, enhancing the sense of space and serenity within such a compact form. Returning to the exterior, the lens captures a person seated inside the driver's cabin, visible through the side window. The figure is relaxed, their hands resting gently on the wheel, a picture of readiness and calm. The dashboard glows faintly, hinting at modern digital instrumentation and intuitive controls. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a fusion of engineering precision and lifestyle design. In the background, the scene widens once more to reveal the showroom in its entirety. Large RVs stand proudly nearby, but the three-wheeled camper commands attention for its distinct personality. It represents a new direction, minimalist travel with maximum style and functionality. As the music swells gently, the final shots showcase the vehicle from different angles, the reflections on the polished floor, the glimmering edges under light, the harmonious blend of curves and innovation. It's a design that speaks to dreamers and travelers alike, those who seek freedom, comfort, and beauty in compact form. The camera slowly pulls back, the lights above forming a soft halo around the camper. The music fades, leaving only the quiet hum of the showroom and the lingering impression of modern mobility redefined.